Hello and welcome everyone, it's Martin here at Crypto Gains. We're experiencing a massive carnage across all major cryptocurrencies with very significant declines. Bitcoin dropped below 50,000 and it's currently trading even below 49,000. And according to analysts from Being Crypto, it's likely to find support around 46,600 to 47,600. It seems that speculation that the US President Joe Biden's administration will increase capital gains taxes is what sent shockwaves in the crypto space, which caused Bitcoin and Ethereum, the leading cryptocurrencies, to start declining, which drove the whole cryptocurrency market down. However, what is more encouraging to know is that the US House of Representatives is about to create a crypto task force, which is going to join members of the Securities and Exchange Commission and the Commodities and Futures Trading Commission to provide some guidance and regulation around cryptocurrencies, which of course is going to facilitate adoption across institutions and drive prices higher in the long term. Finally, another interesting development is around SushiSwap, which is now integrating Chainlink on Ethereum. And of course, this is good news for SushiSwap and is likely to affect prices in the near term as well. So let's take a look at the charts and how we can trade some of these insights. Beginning with Bitcoin versus Tether, we can see I'm using a short time frame. On the 5-minute chart, we're in clear downtrend. And for me to be able to feel confident in initiating a long position, I would wait for a decisive break above 48,600, which will invalidate this downtrend. To initiate long positions, we targeted 49,400 and 50,300. Conversely, below 48,600, the downside prevails with the nearest support level found at 47,500. But then if we break below that level, we could be seeing declines all the way down to 46,300, which is in line with the Being Crypto article that I discussed a minute ago. Let's now move to Ethereum. Ethereum is in a similar downtrend, however, we're seeing a break above that critical resistance level, that descending resistance line. So over 2,200 there is a good opportunity to initiate long positions. We targeted 2,230 and 2,260 below, testing higher levels near the 2,300s. However, below 2,200 it's quite likely that we may see further declines, first taking us to 2,150 and then 2,110. Actually, I'm going to move that line to the nearer resistance, which is around 2,150, because such substantial declines below 2,100, at least for the time being, don't seem very likely to me. Now let's take a look at Ripple. Ripple experienced major corrections with drops below 0.9, but now it's recovering. To me, 1 is the critical pivot point, critical pivot level. Above that level, long positions we target 1.09 and 1.2. Conversely, below 1, the downside could prevail, taking us again down to 0.95 and 0.9. So fairly quick overview of Ripple. And now let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash. We could see fairly strong resistance forming in Bitcoin Cash around 780. So I'm waiting for a break above that level to initiate long positions. We targeted 820 and 870. As long as we stay below 780, however, I believe that the downside is going to prevail and could take us further down to 730 and 690. On the 5-minute chart, we can see that the MACD line is now crossing 0, which is encouraging, and the relative strength index is above 50. However, on the longer time frames, we could still see that we have just recovered oversold territory on the relative strength index on the 1-hour chart, and we're still well below 0 on the MACD indicator. And finally, let's take a look at SushiSwap. SushiSwap declined quite substantially, reaching lows at 10.2. However, now it's recovering, and above 10.8, which was a resistance area, I'm seeing opportunities for long positions. We targeted 11.3 and then 12.65 if we clear that first resistance. However, on the downside, if we break below 10.8 once again, 10.2 and 9.5 are going to be reasonable targets for sales, for short positions. Thank you very much for joining me today. Keep learning with the video education section and the Crypto Gains Market Insight subsection. Remember to join the Crypto Signals Made Easy channel for lots of insightful articles and trading ideas. Thanks for joining me today. Trade wisely and have a good weekend. Bye bye. Hey, thanks a lot for tuning in, and if you liked what you see and you're not already with us, click on the link in the description below and become part of the Stormgain community. That way you will never miss another opportunity and you will become a more profitable crypto trader. See you soon.